There is nothing more refreshing than a cup of tea early morning at the farm. I'm Hassam and check out how big my plants have grown. Once the whole area which were brown has now turned green. Today I will also show you my new tractor. It's very heavy and strong. This will help us to put more seeds in less time. I better move to someplace safe. I also have to keep an eye on the driver to help him guide if he missed any spot. It's not the easiest task. Someone has got to do it. Time to play some basketball, to exercise and keep my skills sharp. I'm proud of my workers and my farm. We have gained it so much. That's all for today that I have to show you. So subscribe my channel and like the video so you can stay updated for the next video.